Hey guys, waiting for this to get up to temp. We're gonna do some chicken breast, along with some green beans and some potatoes, quartered up, little like medium red potatoes, salt, pepper, and little swabs of butter on here on the potatoes, and salt, pepper, garlic on the green beans, along with some little squares of butter on there. Once this is up to temp, we'll throw that on, give that a head start. Chicken's not gonna take as long, and we'll be right back. All right, we're about up to 400. Go ahead, put these green beans on, potatoes on, give them some time. Be right back. Okay, they've been in there about 15 minutes. Gonna do a couple things now. So we're about 400 degrees. Woo. Gonna flip them, but also putting them on this rack. They'll continue to cook while we're cooking the chicken. The other thing is put the chicken on. Here's the chicken. All we did was put on some of the Char-Griller chicken seasoning. That has black pepper, garlic, onion, salt, chili powder, thyme, and parsley. And my grabbers. If I can get them. So I was going to pound these out, but they're pretty even from side to side. The one side is, of course, a little bit smaller, but so again, we're going to go about 400 degrees until they are done. The other thing we're going to do, I'm going to use my meter probe, try to get an accurate reading of internal temp and the grill temp. All right, swing these back around. They'll continue to heat up. Let's leave them for a little while, see how it goes. All right, it's been about 10 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and flip them over and take a peek at them. Looking good so far. Look at that. It doesn't stick at all on these cast iron grates on this acorn. I did spray it down with a little bit of Pam ahead of time. That's all you got to do. And to scrape them afterwards when it's warm. Can I show you this? Look at that. Look at the marks on there. It's awesome. All right, let's give it some more time. Target temperature about 165, 167. Should get there pretty soon. All right, it's been another about 10, 15 minutes or so. My meter probe is telling me internal temp is about 165, so I'm going to go ahead and check. I have a probe here. And first thing I want to do, I'm going to remove the meter probe. Get out of there. They look nice. Want to see them? All right. Now let me probe them. That's at 164. 163. 164. Yeah, we got a little more time. This one's about 156, 156 and a half. 159. When that hit 160, as I was pulling it out of there. This one's about done. That's 163 there, 162 and a half. Now let me move some of these around. This guy seemed pretty happy. I'm going to put him up here with these guys. You go up there. Let's see, this fat guy is going to go over here. I'm going to move him just around the heat a little bit. So the diffuser has some holes here, here, here. So what I'm doing is putting them above the, almost like the direct heat. So we'll let that go for maybe another 5 minutes or so and check them again. All right, I think we're good. So I checked them about 5 minutes ago. These guys are about done. So I put them up on the top on the warming rack. I'm going to take those off now. These guys are done. Go ahead and grab them off. Can't wait to see those. Grab these. We're going to let these rest. That bugs me that this one's upside down and face the other way. Oh, I love how this one looks. This one's awesome. And let's go ahead and temp this one. Should be ready. Oh, he's fighting the fight. He's like 160, almost 162. Yeah, 162.1.5. We're gonna let this guy flip him and put him over here against, right up above the fire here. He's gonna have to sit by himself. We'll grab him in a little bit. So we'll let these rest about 10 minutes, and we'll cut into them. Meanwhile, I'll get the green beans and the potatoes ready. It's gonna be awesome. I can do one more look. They're looking awesome. All right, we'll be right back. All right, let's cut into one of these guys. Let's cut into one of these guys, or let's cut into one of these guys. You can take it however you want. All right, our latest one was this guy. So he's super hot. I'm gonna move him over to here. He's got to rest some more. I want to cut into this one. I'm just gonna do. Oh, Nice. This is going to taste awesome. I'm going to load up a plate. We'll go from there. Nice, juicy. Show you a close-up. See the glistening on it. Let's go ahead and fix up this plate right here. Huh? We'll try some of these. Get out of here. All right. Try some of the potato. Perfect. Green beans. Really good. All right, let's try one of these chickens. So again, all we did with the seasoning was that Char-Griller chicken. You can taste it. All right, I'm gonna cut the rest up for my family. We got a lot. We're gonna put it in the fridge, I bet. But that just means tomorrow have some sandwiches, put some on some salads, whatever you want. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments what you think. Give it a thumbs up and all that jazz. Hit that bell, you know. So, we'll see you next time when you eat. Thanks for watching.